He is the CEO of the Niti Aayog, the government's apex policy think tank, an outstanding former bureaucrat who has an extraordinary track record in policy formulation and implementation. He is one of the key architects of the Make in India, Startup India and Incredible India campaigns. He was also the driving force behind the extremely successful God's Own Countries campaign for the government of Kerala. He has been the driving force behind Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, the Japan Plus team and an interministerial committee for the US to fast-track investments from these two major FDI sources. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Amitabh Kant.
Privilege for me to be here in the midst of all of you. Great pleasure because I've been closely associated with all of you in the direct selling industry. My belief always has been that the direct selling industry adds hugely to economic activity. It is a major driver of India's growth, and that it provides the economic impetus to more than anything else. And the key challenge for India is really about growth with jobs. So if you are not able to create jobs, then we'll be in deep problems. And therefore, jobs are very, very critical. Many of you create jobs. You know, you are doing a very respectable profession. You are economic drivers of growth for India. So we respect that. And that has now been recognized. That has now been recognized that government has, by issuing these guidelines, clearly recognized that you are major players of India's economy, that you significantly contribute to India's economy, that you are adding to India's growth and wealth, and that you are creating jobs. And therefore, getting out with these guidelines were very important. And these guidelines have now been given to different states to realize that you are important players in India's economy, and every state will respect these guidelines because they've been issued by Government of India. But as we go along, I think we'll probably work towards a legislation which will clearly spell out what is direct selling. So we'll work towards that in the long run. My view is that a lot of wrong was done against some of you in the past. We've forgotten that. We should look at the future. We should look at growth. And therefore, all of you will be very, very critical, very major drivers of growth of India. You know, right now, many of you don't do manufacturing in India. Amway has started doing manufacturing in India, I know. So my compliments they've set up a big plant in South India. I have not seen it, but I've seen photographs of it, so I appreciate what Amway has done. But each one of the companies must start doing manufacturing in India. If you're going to sell, you know, while we have brought systems, we've brought discipline, we've brought guidelines, we've done this, we drafted this long time back. It took Ministry of Consumer Affairs some time, but they finally issued those guidelines. So there's now everybody in government accepts that there are Government of India guidelines, clear guidelines. How you people are an integral part of now, that has given respectability. And as I've said, our objective is to try and make India extremely easy and simple. We are working towards that. I look at this as a huge opportunity, huge opportunity to transform India. So this is a huge opportunity for direct selling agents, all of you, to really push India into the digital age. And I see you people not as just direct selling agents, but agents who are going to transform India in many ways. I wish you all the very best. I wish you all grow and prosper. I wish your companies prosper. And I wish both all of you and your families all the best. And may you become the key agents of change in India. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.